Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Google Photos on Android. Google Photo is a photo storage and sharing app that's pre-installed on most Android phones and is available on iOS as well as Windows and Mac. Google's Gallery app is packed with editing tools, neat media organization, cloud backup, and seamless sharing. A Google Photo app is available on iOS, iPad, and Android. The Google Photos mobile app comes built-in on an Android phones, while iPhone users can download it on the App Store. The service is also available on the web, although it's not as feature-rich as the mobile apps. Whether you use Windows PC, a Mac, or a Chrome OS device, you can download image, upload media files, and access basic Google Photos app function on the web. Go to Google Photos website to find your uploaded photos and videos. Google Photos AI features unlock when you upload your photos and videos. The app analyzes your uploaded files to show recommendation and improve your media collection. So to check the available options to upload media, follow the steps. Now I'm already here inside the Google Photos. Now tap your profile on the upper right corner. Then tap Photo Settings. Then tap Backup and Sync. Now, as you can see, my account is already full. Then after that, just tap Upload Size. Then select the image quality for your photo upload. Now, Google Photo Editing features. Over the past few years, Google Photo Editing's capabilities have become much more powerful. You can use AI recommendations, crop, portrait blur, magic eraser, adjust brightness, contrast, HDR, white point, shadows, and saturation. And apply built-in filters to keep your photos Instagram ready. We have also AI features in Google Photo. Once you upload your media library to Google Photos, the company machine learning kicks in. You'll get ready-to-use collage, animation, pics, and movie recommendation to save in Google Photos. The service detects similar photos and often suggests collage and movies. The AI magic also works during image editing, which shows several pictures under the suggestion tab to improve your photos. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!